were friends. You called me your sister, your soulmate, and your right hand. We shared secrets. We fought, but never disaggregated. I laugh, you laugh. I cry, you cry. We were in this together till the day we die. But one day, an explosion occurred. One day, everything transformed, turning heads, pointing fingers. Everyone's eyes were blurred. And that day, everything started to change. A bomb went off, and terrorist became my name. We shattered and fell apart. Everything we had became dismantled and destroyed. You started to avoid. It's my job, my responsibility to keep my head held high and to believe in God, because everything on social media is a fraud. Discrimination is a sin upon creation, and it's happening everywhere and in every nation. People make mistakes. Not everyone's right. But yet still, Islam gets most of the ugliest and negative spotlight. Alhamdulillahi ala kulli hal. Wishing things were the same. Wishing a bomb never went off and hoping us Muslims didn't get blamed. Wishing we were still friends, sisters, soulmates, and my very best right hand.